Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a Facebook link to your Wix website in 2024. Whether you want visitors to easily find your business page or just connect with you socially, you'll learn two super straightforward ways to link Facebook right from your site, no coding required. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, your Wix website will smoothly redirect your visitors straight to your Facebook page. Let's jump right in and start with the first method. On your Wix editor page, you'll want to look to the side panel where you'll spot the Add Element button. Go ahead and give that a click. The Add Element menu is basically where you unlock all kinds of goodies for your site, from images to buttons. For this method, we're going to keep it simple by adding some text. So click on either title or text. It doesn't really matter which you choose. The important thing is just to insert some text onto your page. Now in the text box that appears, type Facebook. This is what your visitors will see and click, so make it clear. If you'd like to fancy it up, maybe change the font or color to match Facebook's blue, go ahead. Clean, easy-to-read text is always a winner, especially for links you want people to notice. Next, click on the text element you just created. This should highlight it and you'll see a small toolbar. Look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain or paperclip. Click that. You'll get a window asking where you want the link to lead. Choose web address and then type in facebook.com or paste your actual Facebook page's full URL for better results. This ensures anyone clicking lands exactly where you want on Facebook, not just the home page. Once you've entered the address, click Done. And just like that, your Facebook link is live on your site. If you want, you can drag and move your Facebook link anywhere you'd like, maybe in your footer or near your contact info. Take a second to try it out in preview mode. Click, and you should be whisked right over to Facebook. Now let's check out the second method, which is a bit more visual and adds a touch of professional polish. Back in your editor, head over to Add Element again. This time, look up social bars in the search bar. Social bars are those neat sets of icons you see on lots of modern websites, and they're designed for linking out to all your social profiles at once. Select a social bar element that includes the Facebook icon. Don't worry if there are other networks displayed here where we customize. Click on Set Social Links. You'll see a list of different services: Instagram, Twitter, maybe LinkedIn. For now, delete everything except Facebook to keep your bar simple and focused. With only Facebook remaining, you'll see an option for Link Web Address. This is where you paste your Facebook URL. Just like before, it can be facebook.com or the full link to your business's page. Double check that it's correct, then hit Done, and your social bar is all set. Now switch over to preview mode and give your new Facebook icon a click, just to make sure it's connected exactly how you want. Sometimes these things take a moment to appear in preview, so don't worry if it lags a bit. And that's all there is to it. With these two approaches, you can choose whether you prefer a simple text link or a stylish icon bar. Both work perfectly, so go with whichever fits the look and feel of your site. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you've got any questions or run into issues. I check those regularly and I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.